to defend what is ours. Lawmakers form a West Philippine Sea bloc in Congress and file bills to strengthen the country's claims. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza has the report.
West Philippine Sea, atin ito. That is the battle cry of the West Philippine Sea bloc as they file bills in the 20th Congress. This Wednesday, the West Philippine Sea bloc launched and filed its first set of legislative measures for WPS. These include urging DILG to review agreements between China and Philippine LGUs, mandatory teaching of WPS history and geography in all levels, and declaring July 12 as a National WPS Victory Day.
We propose to have the DFA as the lead agency to implement yung National WPS Victory Day. So, kailangan may mga activities na i-organize ang DFA to commemorate that really very historic victory.
Well, siyempre, itong coalition ng isa sa inspirasyon ng mga kongresista na nagsama-sama para maging West Philippine Sea bloc. Kailangan na kailangan natin ipaglaban ang atin. At klarong-klaro, hindi lang naman sa ruling sa The Hague, kung hindi pati sa national laws natin, na atin ang West Philippine Sea.
The WPS bloc is composed of Akbayan Representatives Chel Jokno, Percy Sendanya, and Dada Kiram Ismula, joined by ML Party List Representative Laila De Lima and Dinagat Islands Representative Kaka Bagao. Senator Risa Hontiveros is also part of the bloc. The bloc, led by Atin Ito Coalition, organized a Thanksgiving dinner that will commemorate the bloc's launch and remember the victory over the West Philippine Sea. Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson Jay Tariela says he will give his full support to the bloc's notion.
These are real concern na dapat nating tingnan, lalo na't alam naman natin ang laban natin sa West Philippine Sea. Hindi lamang ito sa dagat. The Chinese government came up with different actions for them to undermine our own national interests.
Representative Jokno also assures,
siyempre, pagsisipagan natin yan at gagawin namin ang lahat para maging batas itong mga proposed bills namin.
there may be no certainty when this will end, but the fight of the WPS bloc and the Filipinos will continue. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza, we are One News.